Welcome back, Control Gurus, to another video here on the channel. Thank you so very much for returning to further your knowledge through the Niagara N4 system. Hope everyone's ready to attack 2020, as I am. Hope everyone has a very successful 2020. And let's get into the video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to declutter your nav tree over here and get this stuff out of but not lose this information and keep it a little bit more organized. As you can see, as you add more and more Jaces, now mind you, I just connected to several Jaces that I could pull up quickly through some of the systems that we've worked on in the past. And I want to be able to show you guys how to get this stuff out of here, out of your nav tree, but still saved through the Niagara workbench so you can access it at a later date, but at the same time, declutter this and clear it out so you're only connecting it and seeing the systems that you're working on regularly. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and go in, right click on each one of these Jaces or Supervisors, and you're going to click Go Into. When you go into it, opens up a little thing here. Just keep going back to My Network and continue to do this until you've selected them all. I'm just going to go ahead and keep clicking Go Into, so that all of them show up here. Now that I've got them all selected, and again, as you do more and more Jaces, you can add these on the fly. They can be done at any time. You don't have to do it all at once. But you're going to go up here to Bookmarks, going to go to Manage Bookmarks. When you go into, here are all of these Jaces that are saved. So what I like to do is I create a new folder, and under Bookmark, I'm going to go New Folder, and I title it whatever you want. So the first one I'm going to do is Toledo Museum of Art. Hit OK. I want to make sure we're on Bookmark, New Folder, Columbus City Schools. Go back to Bookmark, New Folder, Home Office, New Folder, White Castle Headquarters, and National Board of Boilers. Hit OK. So now you've got all these folders, and then what you're going to do is you're going to select the ones, and you're going to click Move To, and then just select your folder. So this would be, this one was Columbus City Schools. Hit OK, and it moves it there. I can minimize this. These, I'm going to move to, this is White Castle Headquarters. These next one, Toledo Museum of Art. We're going to move to Toledo Museum of Art. Minimize all these at the same time. National Board of Boilers. And there we have them all organized. Hit OK. And then what I can do here is you can actually close out of all of these 15 hosts. Now you're cleared up over here on your nav tree, but if you go into your bookmarks, you've got all of the Jaces and everything right here. So if you wanted to access one of them, you would just go to, and then open the station. And then it's going to ask you for your information. And there you go. So this way, you can close out of them when you're done with them if you're not regularly accessing them, and then you'll always have them within your bookmarks. Again, this is version specific, so you'd have to do it if you had multiple versions. Most of the time, you're only accessing a system through one version anyway. Again, guys, thank you for watching the channel. Hopefully this tip will help you declutter your nav tree, as I know recently I started getting out of control with the number of Jaces I had, and it was becoming quite difficult to keep them all managed, so I decided to take some time and bookmark them all. Again, thanks for taking the time to view this video. If you like the video and the content that you see, please give me a thumbs up on the video, leave me a comment, or more importantly, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I post any new tutorials, tips, or tricks. Thanks again, guys. Take care and enjoy 2020.